muscular triangle. These are the other names given. Muscular triangle is bounded superiorly by superior belly of omohyoid muscle, inferiorly by the anterior border of the sternocleidomastoid, while the base of the triangle is formed by midline of the neck. We can appreciate the boundaries of muscular triangle in this image. Skin, superficial and deep fascia forms the roof. Contents of the muscular triangle includes infrahyoid muscles, namely thyrohyoid, sternothyroid and sternohyoid. Vessels observed are superior and inferior thyroid arteries, anterior jugular veins. Viscera seen in this triangle are thyroid and parathyroid glands, larynx, trachea and esophagus. Infrahyoid muscles making the content of this triangle may also be regarded arbitrarily as forming the floor of this muscular triangle. Contents were shown here. Thank you for watching.